Hi, good morning, good evening, whatever it is for you based on where you are. I am very excited today, not just because I made a AeroPress coffee. It is tasty, a cold coffee. But the important thing is, I am starting off a new segment called Raw Food Diet Ingredients. If you remember, I am trying to deliver a raw food diet course using three segments. The first segment talked about different philosophical concepts of raw food diet. What is philosophy? We talked about different elements as to the benefits of raw food diet, what is raw food all about, why we should consume, how do we start off, different benefits that individuals got, the kind of diseases that might go away because of raw food diet, and so on and so forth. These are all the things that we have covered under philosophy. And in the second segment, we talked about the raw food recipes. What are raw food recipes in essence? What are the various kinds of recipes that are made? How are smoothies made? How are energy balls made? How are ice creams made? How are chocolates made? Various kinds of recipes we have discussed in the previous segment. In starting off today's session as an intro to my third segment, which will talk about the specific ingredients of raw food diet. You cannot use all the types of ingredients which are available in nature as part of your raw food recipes. There may be certain vegetables and fruits which may not be suitable for raw food diet. I am referring to the raw food diet recipes, by the way. And there may be certain kinds of ingredients which are particularly useful when we go into recipe making. What are these ingredients? How are they to be used? What are the benefits? We are going to discuss these kinds of elements for different ingredients starting from my next video. So keep watching. Do subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, so you will know all about the specific ingredients. My next one is going to be on dates. Dates are extremely useful in raw food diet recipes. They are tasty, they give certain features, binding and so on, which are so important for recipe making. Let us discuss all of these, the kinds of benefits that you will get out of these coming from next video. Thank you. Have a nice day or evening, whatever is left for you. Bye bye.